Okay, here's the fuselage progressing. So here's the bottom sheet now fitted, and on the top we have the curved section which has to be cross-grained, so the grain going this way. Now I've left a gap for the hatch, so rather than cut it out afterwards, I've left a gap so I'll be able to fit a hatch to fit there. And remember, on this piece here, don't sheet all the way back to the back, because the horizontal stabilizer has to fit here. So measure up and cut to length. Now on the front, we've got the pieces here that have to be angled in, and the piece at the bottom, and a battery tray. So I cut out a battery tray as per the plan. I've got a bit of triangular strip here to fix it to the former, and there are some dabs of glue at the front to fix it to the triangular pieces. So that should be okay. Now in the drawing it says to sheet this with 3.2mm sheet, and there is none in the kit. So I'm going to have to find a piece of suitable width sheeting for that. And then the other two pieces here are 12.5 here and here. And on the front, on the instructions it says to fit 12.5, but I'm going to fit 15mm sheet, make up a couple of blocks to fit onto the front. What I did to help cut out the nose section is make a couple of templates from the plan. So here's one which sort of goes around here, obviously at the midpoint, and then I made another one to go around the side here. So that'll give you an idea about the profile here. And the other thing I did was I cut out the canopy, and that means that you can sit the canopy where it's going to go, and that'll help with the profiling around here to match the canopy. Okay, here are the two hatches. So this is an area that I left unsheeted, and I have access to the servo here, and then it's just a question of cutting out a suitable piece of balsa to fit on there. And then on the bottom I actually did as per the instructions, and fully sheeted it, and then measured out a suitable hole and just cut it out with a craft knife and a Stanley knife. And I had to actually use a hacksaw blade as well, because inside of here it's actually gone into the triangular section, so it's quite a depth of hole to be cut. And you can see that by the cutout here. It includes quite a big cut, but I suppose that's quite good because it's going to make it nice and strong once I fit the fitting arrangement, whatever that may be.